Hey everyone, so today in this video we are going to learn the most common uses of the word get. So let's start. The first one is get about. It means to go to places, or it can mean spreading of news or rumors. For example, he gets about a good deal. It means he travels a lot. In the second example, the news of the defeat was censored, but it soon got about. It means although the news was censored, but the news spread. Now get across. It means to cause to pass from one side to the other. For example, the general had to get his troops across the river. It means he got his troops from one side of the river to the other. It can also mean to cause something to be understood. For example, he found it difficult to get his British jokes across to an American audience. It means it was difficult for an American audience to understand British jokes. Now get along. It also has two meanings. The first one is to manage something. For example, we cannot get along without food. It means we cannot survive without food. The second meaning is to be in agreement or to be friendly. For example, they are getting along quite well. It means they are friendly with each other. Now get ahead. It means to make some progress or go forward and pass others. For example, John has got ahead of all the other boys in his class. It means John has passed all the other boys in his class in terms of progress. Now get at. It means to reach or gain access to. For example, the books are locked up and I cannot get at them. It means I cannot access them or I cannot reach them. Now get away has three meanings. The first one is to escape. For example, two of the prisoners got away. It means two of the prisoners escaped. The second meaning is to send away. For example, we must get you away to the seaside. It means we must send you to the seaside. The third meaning is to perform an illegal act without being punished. For example, the thieves got away with the money. It means the thieves looted the money and got away without any punishment. Now get by. It means to pass. For example, please let me get by. It means to please let me pass. Get in has two meanings. The first one is to enter. For example, the burglar got in through the window. It means the burglar entered through the window. The second meaning is to arrive. For example, the train got in 5 minutes early. That is, the train arrived 5 minutes early. Now get into also has two meanings. The first one is to enter. For example, you should help this old man to get into the bus. The second meaning is to put on. For example, I cannot get into these shoes. It means I cannot put on these shoes. These shoes might be too small or too big for me. Get off. It also has two meanings. The first one is to descend or dismount. For example, you are in the wrong bus. Please get off at the next stop. The second one is to save one from punishment. For example, a capable or a clever lawyer may be able to get you off. It means he might be able to save you from punishment. Get on. It means to work or live in a sociable way. For example, the new manager is easy to get on with. It means it is easy to work with the new manager. Get out. It means to become known. For example, if the news gets out, there will be trouble. Or the police will get a confession out of him. In the second example, it means that police will make him confess. Get over. It means to recover from some illness, surprise, or loss. For example, the country never got over the economic meltdown. It means the country never recovered from the economic meltdown or collapse. She cannot get over her shyness. This is the second example of the same get over. Now get around. It means to evade a law or regulation without committing a legal offense. For example, a clever lawyer might find ways of getting around that clause. It means he would find ways to evade that clause without committing a legal offense. Now, the second meaning of get round is to persuade somebody into some action to which he was first opposed to. For example, she knows how to get around her father. It means she knows how to convince his father, her father in this case, to do something he was not willing to do. So that's all from today. If you like the video, please do subscribe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. Thank you so much.